Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin the internal cleaning of your Dyson HS05, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a soft brush, a microfiber cloth, and a can of compressed air. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any small parts. First, unplug your Dyson HS05 from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure the device is completely powered off. Next, locate the screws on the back of the unit. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid misplacing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back cover off the device. You may need to wiggle it slightly to release it from any clips. With the cover removed, you will see the internal components. Take a moment to inspect for any visible dust or debris. Using your soft brush, gently sweep away any dust buildup around the motor and fan. Be careful not to disturb any wiring or sensitive components. If you notice any stubborn dirt, dampen your microfiber cloth slightly and wipe the area clean. Remember, do not use excessive moisture as it can damage the internal parts. Next, take your can of compressed air and blow out any remaining dust from the internal areas. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal airflow and performance. If you find that your device is still not performing well after cleaning, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, it's time to reassemble your Dyson HS05. Align the back cover with the device and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping the screws. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this cleaning yourself, keep in mind that we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This service is convenient and ensures your device is handled by professionals. Plus, there are no calls or travel involved, making it hassle-free. Once the screws are in place, plug your Dyson HS05 back in and turn it on to test its performance. You should notice an improvement in airflow and efficiency. If you still experience issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect in terms of cost and service. In summary, regular internal cleaning of your Dyson HS05 can significantly enhance its performance and longevity. By following these steps, you can ensure your device remains in top condition. If you have any questions or need assistance, remember we're here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.